Hi, my name is Jennifer Rossman. I am really excited to be in this class. A little bit about me. I am a mom of two. I get to do it by myself this weekend because my husband's out of town. I am a special ed teacher. My background is actually working with nonverbal students on the spectrum. And right now I actually get to do educational interventions. So I'm really loving my job and I'm excited with how ABA can fit into my background. Three things I love about ABA: how everyday applicable it is. I found, you please have to have a quiet voice. I found that it was more than helpful in the past working with nonverbal neurodiverse learners. This year I find it's also very relevant working just with more content areas like math and English and just the acquisition of learning and learning behaviors. Another thing I love about it is how it takes the mentalism out of behavior and you just are able to look at the way people behave objectively and scientifically. The third thing I love about it is that it's data-driven. So I'm really excited about this class because I like anything that's data-driven and empirical, and you can measure growth that way. Two things I really look forward to learning: really solid, valuable ways of tracking data, tracking growth, and then down the road, I am looking forward to learning more about naturalistic response training. I actually selected that as my module, so I'm really excited. One fun fact about me, there's not many right now. I basically teach and take classes and mom, but when my husband and I do have time, we create and sell artwork. Pretty self-explanatory. What else goes on in my life? Pretty much this. Anyway, I'm really excited to see some familiar names from last course, and I'm excited to watch everybody's videos and learn alongside all of you guys.